We're going to Rosmanda. Coron. Yeah.
Yay! Nandun na kami ng van. Ang kinuha kong traveling tours is Calamian, Caribbean tours. And we're going to our hotel, which is Ruwes Suites. Van. And ito yung mga kasama ko. Yay! Say hi to my vlog!
Hello mga kachismosa!
Hello mga kachismosa! Yay! We're now here at Ruwes Suites! Yay! Look at that! May welcome drinks kung ito ang mga tao. May welcome drinks. Thank you! Mga kachismosa, merong welcome drinks dito sa Ruwes Suites. Yay! Mga kamalites! Yes, yay! Ang ganda dito, parang little center living siya. Parang yun yung theme na hotel. May free drinks ka.
Ito yung pool. Okay. Ito tayo yung to, no? Ruwes Suites.
Wow!
Nice.
So cool! Ang bango.
Bango?
I like it. Wow! Even it's so small, even it's small. It's like good. Ang bango. Oh, maganda naman ito ang laki. Oh, actually, they also have door and sleepers. Here, sabi ni Kuya, the biggest souvenir shop down here in Coron. So we're going in na. Yay! Push! Yeah.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
For the next iteration.
Oh.
That's a nice moves of them, no? And if you look at that side, you can see the sleeping giants. There's the head, the neck, the body, and the shoulders. So, and his name is Prince Maracol.
Oh.
You get there in the middle of the ocean, the prince will be chased by the person.
Hello! We're going to Mount Tapias. So, Mount Tapias. Yung top down is 726, diba? So, ayun. Lalakad tayo sa taas. Ayan, no? So, I'm with my friends. Yes, si Yoshi, si Nini, si Rachel, ako rin. Kaya parang pagod na ako. Tiningal na agad ako. Wala pa 100 steps. So, ayan. Parita kami sa 200 steps. Ayun na! 200 steps na tayo! Yay! 5:38, 5:37 na lang, Mini. Ito po sila. Naghihila na.
Magasin natin ng mga 500 bikes.
Wala pa kami sa tuktok. 100 steps na lang. Pero, look at the view. Sort of better.
Pa, taas pa.
Peaceful.
Never thought I'd fight for you. I just can't compare you with.
So, we are here at the top of Mount Tapias. Picturesque daw, picturesque. Nice.
pass by. They said it wouldn't be so easy, but I can say with love I'll smile again. I can promise you I'll be fine. I can promise you I'll be fine.
We're now here at the port.
I'll just stay in my loneliness, in my bed. You'll see only lonely things. I'm into the thought that it's silence in my heart. It's just my
Kayangan Lake. So they call this place Kayangan Lake because they named this place after the river is drinking water inside the lake. It's Kayangan. But eventually, I think it was called Kayangan. But then, within this area, as I told you earlier, we're going to trekking. So 160.
First stop, Kayangan Lake. Ay, sige po sir, pwede.
promise you I'll be fine. Fine, I'll be fine. Fine, I will be.
Grabe yung 300 steps daw, 300 what? 300 something ano?
100 daw pataas, 200 daw pa.
Grabe! Nakakapagod. Sa patas na kami sa Kayangan Lake. Hindi, yung pagbaba namin, yung pag-aapoy namin. Hindi siya agad yung lake na swimming agad. So, we need to go upstairs pa. Ay, nakakapagod. Pag-aapoy man. Here, hi, good morning. Nakakapagod dito. Madami pa. Ay, nakakapagod. Hindi kami mababa mo. So, yeah. Ito tayo. 100 upstairs and then 200 plus for downstairs. Ay, kapagod. Wow, we can see the lake now. Grabe, oh. Yan na. We're good.
Pag lake, malamig.
Look at that. Yay! Pagod na kami. Tapoy. Grabe. Ayan na. Ayan na! Oh my gosh! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! So, ayan. Oh. Wow! Ganda! So, mag-swimming na kami. Bye-bye! Where you can see the
View deck.
Yeah. This is the view deck where you can see the Kayangan Lake. Ay! Here, this is what you call Queen Cruise.
Yanit sa taso. Le. Tulog. Daluga. Left side. Left side.
We are now going to Barracuda Lake. Hi, Barracuda Lake. Yeah.
lakes are still sacred for them. So actually, as of now, we are in Coron Island. So this whole island is called as Coron Island. So the where do our native people, our indigenous people lives, which are called Tagbanwa. So the Coron town itself is located at Busuanga Island. So that's why even our airport here is called as Busuanga Airport. Alright, so within
This is the view to Barracuda Lake. We're going to Barracuda Lake. We're going to walk. Here's the Barracuda Lake.
Hi vlog, welcome to the guys. Enjoy! Enjoy! Ma'am? Bawal ma'am? Bawal na po. Oo, mayroon. Kasi kasi Casco Lagoon Swamp.
Simple lang, simple lang.
Hi sir. Video.
Sa akin, tigasin din, oh. Lahat, anong ginagawa mo? Sa bahay, tigasain, tigaluto, tigalaba. Kaliwa, kaliwa! Ayun, oh. Oh, tigasaban ko, oh. Ayun sila, oh, oh. Yay! Look at the view! Here! Wow! Ang ganda talaga dito sa Coron! Oh my gosh! Siguro, ano, pag nandito ako nakatira, ang negra-negra ko. Kasi nga, talagang pupuntahan mo siya talaga. Ang ganda eh. Oh. Kanan, ay kaliwa lang. Kaliwa lang ng kaliwa. Sige na, bye-bye. Later ulit. Ang ganda, grabe. God's creature is so beautiful. God's creation is so beautiful indeed. Kaliwa, love! sa atin. I want the pink one. Yeah, that's cute. Videohan natin muna. Ito yung rent namin.
Where you going?
Iwan mo na sila. Tignan ka sa side mamaya. Ayan? Yes. Saan kami kakain? Hindi sila kita. Ang lagi kita. Nakahanap ko. Night stroll here at Coron, Palawan. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Talking to the moon. Very calming. May lahat, very minimalist din. Pero pag ilang mo sila dito, hindi natin. Ulit na siya. Dapat kami mga alis. Ulit na din ba? Hindi ba siya pwede na? Akala ko namin ito. Para sa inyo hagdan, wala namang hagdan dito. Yung pala, sabitan na, mga pet box. Yan. Pag pinipilihan mo doon sa likod mo, ang ganda. Pag Instagram talaga, Instagram mo doon. Kapit yung yan. Yung cider food, masarap po. So, here naman is na. Swimming pool area. Ito yung swimming pool na parang wala rin siya rin nag-swim since most of the people here are poor. Kaya hindi mo swimming. Parang hindi mo from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Or 8 a.m. Parang lang sa maybe second floor. Second floor. Ito yung nila ni our room. Ito yung room. Pero nakita nyo lang nakalaki yung room nila. Here. Wow. Yung room. Laki yung nila. Nakalaki na kami for check out. Ito yung room nila. Ito kami yung comfort room. Ito lang siya kalaki. Maganda yung Manila sa nila. Very clean. Clean. Not very, very clean siya. Diba? Let's go. Let's go. Second floor. Room. Unang 200 for in. Room. 200 in. Tapos ng third floor. Wow. Ang third floor nila. Ito. Again. Let's see. Malaki siya. core area. So, hanggang dito siya meron. Hindi na siya nakita. Ay! Wow, ganda siya. Ano first floor?
May common area.
Oh, may common area.
Fourth floor na to? Fourth floor.
I think this is for family or groups. Diba? Groups room or family room. Kasi malaki na siya. Kasi may common area. Kasi yan, madami na ano. Ibig sabihin, may secret. For family room or family room. Dito na ba? Kung first floor and second.
Single.
First floor, second floor. Parang mga single
Single
bed. Ano lang.
Single bed.
Couple for solid cabinet. Yan. So, ayan. Same. Ano na tayo? Sabi mga ano. Pero nagkabalik lang siya kayo yung ilukan na isang araw. Wala nga isang araw. 20 minutes lang natin siyang ginawa. So, ayan. Saka mo sa kanila, ang checking nila is 12. Ay, 2 p.m. talaga. Tapos yung check-out is 12 p.m. But, last 2 days ago, we are already here at 11 a.m. And once the room is already
Available.
We can occupy the room without any
Additional. You can check in early.
Oh, we can check in early. Nabulit sila. I think nakakita alas 12 p.m. yung check-out nila. Pero 1 p.m. pa yung tawag sa amin.
Yung service.
Yeah. Ito kami mag-stay. Pero, para mag-lunch kami. So, that's it guys. I hope you like it. Bye! Mga food na nag-ibig sa mga